When considering using a point system in the classroom, you can ask yourself what you want to assign points for and be very clear with your students so that they know what's expected of them. Do students need to be citing details from their texts or giving evidence for conclusions in class discussions? Answers that do not include evidence would be worth 1 point. A correct answer with one piece of evidence would be worth 2 points, and a correct answer with 2 pieces of evidence could be equal to 3 points. What if you need to solve a classroom issue such as shortening the time that it takes to check homework? All students who have their homework out and ready to be checked before being asked by the teacher would receive 2 points. Another way of making this fun and a game for the kids is having it be teacher versus the class. The students are asked to follow a rule that the teacher sets, and anytime that a student follows the rule, the class gets a point. Anytime the students do not follow the rule, the teacher gets the point. This is great for introducing new procedures and behavioral expectations, and if the class wins, they get a reward such as a dance party or extended recess or fewer homework problems. I even saw a 6th grade teacher use a paperclip system, and she began by starting with one paperclip at the top of the whiteboard, and she would add a paperclip on for good behavior and take them off if the students were being disruptive. And as soon as the class paperclip chain reached the floor, they were given a class party. Another fun idea that I read about were students that were allowed to wear sunglasses until the period was over as soon as they reached 5 points. They were allowed to take off their shoes during class at 10 points, and a positive text or email was sent to their parents at 15. And for the high scores over 15, whoever had it was able to steal the teacher's chair for that class.